It's over. After years of arguments about turbo engines, hybrids, and electrification, one engine just shut the whole debate down. And no one expected a big, naturally aspirated V8 to do it. For a long time, the industry kept pushing one idea. Smaller engines, more boost, and more complexity meant better performance, better efficiency, and a better future. On paper, it sounded perfect. Turbocharged V6 engines promised big power numbers, improved fuel economy, and lower emissions. But out in the real world, especially in heavy-duty trucks, that story started to fall apart. Truck owners, fleet operators, and mechanics began seeing the same issues again and again. High heat from turbo systems, complex cooling setups, expensive repairs once the warranty expired, and long-term reliability that didn't match the promise. One experienced engineer said it best. Turbo engines are impressive, but they are built for test cycles, not for hundreds of thousands of miles of real work. That gap between theory and reality is exactly where Ford stepped in with the 7.3L V8. This wasn't just another engine release. It was a completely different philosophy. Instead of chasing headline horsepower numbers, Ford focused on what actually matters in a truck: low-end torque, long-term durability, and mechanical simplicity. The goal wasn't to impress on paper. The goal was to build an engine that keeps working year after year, no matter how hard it's pushed. Ford engineers even made it clear. This engine wasn't designed for just the first owner. It was built to last for the third and fourth owner. That mindset alone changes everything. At first glance, the 7.3 V8 looks old school. Pushrod design, big displacement, naturally aspirated layout. But that's not a weakness. That's exactly the point. Because under the surface, it's built with modern engineering precision, advanced airflow design, optimized combustion, and improved cooling all working together. This is not a step backward, it's a smarter way forward. And when you combine that with instant torque, no turbo lag, and consistent power delivery, you start to understand why this engine is getting so much attention. Because in the world of trucks, performance is not about numbers on a chart. It's about what happens when you hit the throttle with a heavy load behind you. And that's where everything begins to change. This is where the 7.3L V8 completely changes the game. Most modern engine comparisons focus on peak horsepower numbers, big figures at high RPM that look impressive on paper. But in the real world of trucks, that's not what matters most. What matters is torque, and more importantly, where that torque is delivered. The 7.3 V8 produces strong, usable torque right off idle. No waiting, no delay, no turbo spool, just immediate response the moment you press the throttle. That difference becomes obvious the second you put the truck to work. Whether you are towing a heavy trailer, hauling equipment, climbing long grades, or moving through rough terrain, the engine responds instantly. Power comes in smoothly and predictably, without sudden spikes or hesitation. Fleet operators notice this immediately. One manager running multiple heavy-duty trucks explained it simply. Drivers don't care about spec sheets. They care that the truck moves the moment it's loaded. And the 7.3 does that every single time. That kind of consistency builds trust. And in work environments, trust in your engine matters more than anything else. But power alone doesn't end the debate. Reliability does. Across the industry, mechanics are reporting the same pattern with this engine. Fewer failure points, lower operating stress, and fewer complex systems that can go wrong over time. Unlike turbocharged engines, the 7.3 does not depend on boost pressure, intercoolers, or high-stress turbo components. It avoids extreme heat cycles that often shorten engine life. That simplicity is not outdated, it is intentional. An independent engine rebuilder summed it up perfectly. This is one of the few modern engines that is actually built to be rebuilt. That statement carries serious weight because it means this engine is not just designed to last. It is designed to be serviced, repaired, and kept running for the long term. And that is something many modern engines no longer prioritize. When you remove unnecessary complexity, you reduce the chances of failure. You make diagnostics easier, repairs faster, and downtime shorter. And for truck owners, downtime is the real cost. Because a truck that isn't moving isn't making money. That's why more and more operators are turning toward engines that prioritize durability over hype. And this is exactly where the 7.3 V8 starts to pull ahead in a way competitors can't ignore. The real strength of the 7.3L V8 shows up when conditions get tough. This engine was not designed for perfect test environments. It was built for real work, long idle hours, heavy towing, extreme temperatures, and harsh job sites where reliability is not optional. Construction crews, utility companies, and RV owners all started noticing the same thing. The engine just keeps going. No drama, no constant issues, just consistent performance day after day. One fleet engineer put it in simple terms. Downtime costs more than fuel, and the 7.3 saves money where it actually matters. That statement explains why this engine is gaining such a strong reputation so quickly. Because in real-world use, efficiency is not just about fuel. It is about how long the engine stays on the road without problems. And this is where simplicity becomes a major advantage. In today's world, many engines are packed with layers of complexity, more components, more sensors, more systems that all have to work perfectly together. And when one thing fails, it often leads to bigger problems. Ford took a different approach. The 7.3 V8 proves that simplicity is not a step backward. It is a smart engineering decision. Fewer moving parts mean fewer things that can break. Easier diagnostics when something goes wrong. Faster repairs without tearing apart half the engine bay. A heavy-duty mechanic explained it clearly. When this engine needs work, you can actually fix it without spending hours just accessing the problem. That matters more than people think, especially for operators in rural areas, remote job sites, or situations where quick repairs are critical. And this design philosophy has started to influence more than just reliability. It is changing how Ford approaches engine development overall. Instead of trying to force one solution into every situation, Ford is focusing on purpose-built engines, turbocharged setups where efficiency is the priority, and large displacement engines where durability and consistent performance matter most. That balance is why Ford is now competing strongly across multiple segments at the same time. And it all traces back to one simple idea: build engines for how people actually use them, not just how they perform in controlled tests. And once that shift happened, the impact went far beyond just truck owners. The impact of the 7.3L V8 didn't stop with truck owners. It spread quickly into the aftermarket and performance world. Engine builders, performance shops, and enthusiasts all started paying attention, and the response has been overwhelmingly positive. The reason is simple. This engine provides a strong foundation, a solid block design, excellent airflow potential, and the ability to handle serious torque without relying on forced induction. That combination is rare in modern engines. Builders are now using it for restomods, drag builds, off-road projects, and even marine applications. One performance builder said it clearly. This is one of the best modern V8 platforms we have seen in years. That kind of endorsement does not happen by accident. It happens when an engine proves itself in real conditions, not just in controlled environments.